The Nike Dunk Low Soft Pearl offers a fresh take on neutral styling while staying versatile for everyday wear. While some fans have grown tired of vintage-inspired midsoles, Nike continues to lean into earthy and aged tones because they remain reliable and timeless. This release moves away from the classic triple white look by layering soft and slightly darker neutrals across the upper. The base features an eggshell-colored leather, while darker gray accents appear on the swoosh, collar, and laces. Completing the look is an off-white midsole that adds subtle contrast without overpowering the design. Although it is different from an all-white dunk, the soft pearl colorway works just as easily with most outfits, making it a strong option for daily rotation. Like many general releases, an exact launch date has not been announced. Expect the Nike Dunk Low Soft Pearl to arrive through Nike and select retailers during the spring 2026 season.